Hello everyone, I'm an engineer in the handheld welding machine department of TerraLaser. Today, I'd like to show you our Welder mini water-cooled laser welding machine. The first is the startup procedure. Open the front cover, then prepare a bucket of purified water. Look here, there's a water inlet, open it, then add water with the funnel which is delivered with the machine. Add water in roughly to the top of the green mark will be okay. Then we put back the tank cover. By the way, the water need to be replaced once a month. To replace the water, we need to drain the water first. Open this outfall and drain the water out. Then we connect argon pipe into this protection gas port, while plug in the power cord and tighten it. Open the air valve and switch on the main gate. After the preparation, take out the welding gun and put it on the workbench. At the same time, put the safety clip on the workbench. Then release the emergency red button, and then turn on the power switch. We should wait 2 more minutes after power on before turn on the laser. Then turn on the laser and guiding light on the operation panel. After that, the machine can begin work. Installation of wire feeder. First, open the side cover. Take out the accessories, tools, and the power cord. Take out the power cord from the bag. There is a 4-core jack at the back. Plug the power cord into this jack. This is a plug-in wire with 7 cores. Connect it into this socket. Then turn on the power. Install the guide wire tube. Tear off this protective paper. There are 4 specification wire feeding wheel which is including 0.8, 1.0, 1.2 and 1.6. Now we use the wheels on 0.8 and 1.0. You can see here is 0.8 on one side, another side is 1.0. When we doing installation, if you need the 1.0 size welding wire, insert the 1.0 inside. By this way, it is 1.0 slot. The wire is also feeding 1.0. Similarly, if you need the 1.2 diameter welding wire, just install the wheel engraved with 1.2. The other sets of wire feeding wheels attached with machine are in the tool bag. Please keep them well. The next step is to install the welding wire. Suppose that we need to use 1.0 diameter welding wire. Let's get the 1.0 welding wire. Install the welding wire counterclockwise. Here let's remove the nut, twist it clockwise, then install the welding wire into it. During the installation of welding wire, there is a clamping slot. After that, push the welding wire into the wire groove. And then lock the nut, then push these 2 places up, usually between 3 and 4 scale. Now you could start to adjust the wire feeding speed. Here is a wire feeding acceleration button. Next, press the manual wire feeding key. After starting, the wire will be automatically fed during welding. If it's the first time the wire is sent out, you'd better unload the copper nozzle, so that the welding wire is easier to come out. When you see the welding wire coming out, then twist on the copper nozzle. If you need to adjust the focus, just set this graduated tube to 0, tighten it, and press the trigger on the welding gun. When the laser hitting the workpiece with the maximum pop sounds, it is the focus point. If welding wire is required for welding, we must put the red light in the middle of the wire. Then, we clamp the safety clip on the workbench. Then we could start welding. Before starting daily work, we should check whether the protective lenses are clean. If they are clean, insert it back. If we need to adjust the focus, just set this graduated tube to 0. A welding parameter form is attached in the machine packing. We could select the corresponding power parameters according to the thickness. Click the laser power button and fill in the required power. Then you could start the welding work. After the work is completed, the nozzle needs to be covered with a nozzle cap to prevent from the dust. About the power, turn off the laser power first, and then turn off the machine. And press the emergency red button. Finally, shut down the main switch and the gas valve. Okay, all above is the introduction of TerraLaser Mini Water Cooling Laser Welding Machine. Any questions, please free to contact us. Thank you very much.